Welcome to Chapter 9 of Life Mooring. This one's a wake up call. Simple, clear, direct. Now that you are aware, stop doing it. You know the pattern. You have named it. You have observed it. You have even reflected on it. But awareness without action keeps you in a cycle of gentle suffering. This chapter is your call to detox, emotionally, mentally, habitually. So, what does detox really mean? It does not. It's not just about removing the bad. It's about replacing it with something better. Because here's the truth: your mind does not like empty spaces. If you pull out a negative habit and leave a void, the old pattern will sneak back in. Relapse isn't failure; it's the result of an unguarded vacuum. So the solution is positive habit taking. Every time you stop doing something unhelpful, stake something life-giving in its place. Feel the urge to overthink? Stake it with movement, walk, stretch, ground yourself. Want to lash out or withdraw emotionally? Stake it with breath. Pause and name your feeling. Choose a softer response. Craving emotional distraction? Stake it with journaling, with music, with self-reflection. This is your opportunity to create a chain of gentle replacement. To condition your mind with empowering thoughts, mindful practices, and intentional presence. Ask yourself, what pattern am I detoxing from? What positive action am I replacing it with? How can I reward this new loop so my brain learns to choose it again? Detoxification isn't rigid, it's rhythmic. It's the dance between what no longer serves you and what finally does. And when done consistently, you will notice your inner world becoming clearer, lighter, braver. Let's continue breaking the pattern by feeding the better one.